Want to take photos or start recording videos without touching your phone? Let me show you how to use voice commands on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open camera app. Tap the quick control icon. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down the screen. Tap shouting methods. Here, turn on voice commands. To see how it works, go back to your camera. Say one of the voice commands like smile. And you can see that it takes a photo automatically. If we switch to video mode and then says record video, you can see that the recording starts right away. So given to the function, this is super useful when you want to take group photos without touching the phone, when you are holding something, or even for more stable shots since you don't have to press the shutter. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.